and welcome to IP Study Video Lectures. Today we will discuss the 30th chapter of Grade 7 English Grammar. And our topic is one word substitution. Just imagine while talking if we always had to carry a big dictionary with us and use long phrases such as a person who likes books, a place which is interesting, or a big room. Such long phrases, speaking them every time or speaking them again and again, wouldn't that be tiring? Well, English language does gives us a shortcut, which is one word substitution. That means one word given to long phrases such as century given to a long phrase, a period of 100 years. So instead of saying a period of 100 years again and again in our sentences, paragraphs, or in our daily language, we say century. This is what our today's topic is all about. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define one word substitution, build vocabulary by learning and using one word substitutes, construct sentences using appropriate one word substitutes. Since these are called substitutes, that means you can replace them. So they should not change the meaning of the sentence. The meaning of the sentence remains the same, but it only helps us to put one word to long phrases so that we can avoid speaking them in our sentences and make our language so lengthy. Let us study this example. Do you know what a bibliophile is? It means a person who loves books. So, a person who loves books, one word for that is bibliophile. So, we can always use the word bibliophile instead of saying again and again a person who loves books. Well, that is interesting, isn't it? Yes, it is. So, one word substitution is used to replace many words with a single word. It makes the language more clear and impressive. For example, a period of 100 years, century. A person who can't see, blind. So instead of saying Ram is a person who can't see, has trouble in performing his daily activities, we can say Ram is blind person and he has troubles in performing his daily activities. So instead of repeating the long phrase, we can use a single word. A place where clothes are kept, wardrobe. A thing which cannot be read. You have an illegible handwriting. Illegible is the word given to a phrase, a person, a thing which cannot be read. A thing which cannot be seen, invisible. A thing which cannot be believed, incredible. The workplace of an artist, studio. Life story of a person written by himself or herself, autobiography. Well, you must have read a lot of autobiographies, and one of my favorite autobiographies is autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. Well, you can read those and such other autobiographies, which is a life story of a person written by himself when they are narrating their own stories. Anything which catches fire easily, inflammable. That which cannot be seen through, opaque. This is an opaque glass. This is an opaque window. That which can be seen through. Can you guess the word? Very good. Transparent. Of one's own free will. Voluntary. A person who studies stars. Astronomer. A post with no salary. Honorary. that means a job which has no salary. A person who sells vegetable, greengrocer. A person who walks on foot, pedestrian. A place where experiments are performed, laboratory. A place for keeping birds and animals, zoo. A place where relics of the past are stored, museum. A person who is not present, absent. A place where motor cars are kept, garage. A period of 10 years is called a decade, and a period of 100 years is called, very good, century. A thing which is not soluble, insoluble. A thing which is one of its own kind, unique. An assembly of listeners, audience. A government elected by people, democracy. For example, India is a democratic country. So these are the words, these are one words, or you can say shortcuts given to long phrases. You can use them to make your language more clear and enhance your vocabulary. Well, initially you would need a help of dictionary, but with time you will develop to use these words instead of using the complete phrases. This was all about one word substitution. Thank you so much for staying with us. Stay tuned for our next video lecture. Till then, keep revising.